Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today in this video we will learn an essay. The topic of essay is my favorite personality. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. A national hero is a man of exceptional qualities. With his selfless and sincere efforts, he can mold the fate of his nation. He is a man of determination, willpower, courage, and enthusiasm of the people and welds them into a nation. His words has the power to inspire devotion and dedication. All history is the biography of great men. History is replete with great heroes, but my own hero is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born at Karachi on 25th December 1876. His father was a leading merchant of Karachi. He received his primary education at Karachi and Bombay. He passed his matriculation examination from the Mission High School, Bombay, and went to England for studying law. He was called to the bar in 1896. Great ambition is the passion of a great character. He started his legal practice at Karachi in 1896. Next year, he shifted to Bombay and in a short time won great distinction as a barrister. From 1930 to 1934, he practiced in England at the Privy Council and established himself as a lawyer for the First Order. On his return to India, he resumed practice at Mumbai. Greatness be nothing unless it be lasting. In the meanwhile, he had developed keen interest in politics. When he was studying law in England, therefore, he joined Indian National Congress to work for the self-government for India. He became member of the All India Muslim League also and retained membership of both the parties for a long time. Jinnah worked as a mediator between the two parties and tried to bring about understanding between the Muslims and the Hindus. In acknowledgement of his services and popularity, the Jinnah Hall was built in Mumbai. Personality has power to uplift, power to depress, power to curse, and power to bless. When the Indian National Congress rejected the Montagu Chelmsford scheme of 1918 and launched a non-cooperation movement because he considered it a departure from the policy of constitutional agitation. From this time onward, he became the most determined critic and opponent of all the politics of Gandhi. He was convinced that Hindus were pursuing a deliberate policy, Hindu domination over the entire subcontinent of India. Gandhi died by the hands of an assassin. Jinnah died by his devotion to Pakistan. He was as firm as a rock. He was a man of courage. He was also a brave man and fearless leader. To get Pakistan, he did not care for his broken health. He did not care for dangers to his life and opposition from the Hindus and the English. He was ready to face all circumstances. He was not even afraid of death. He decided everything in the light of presence. Personality is to man what perfume is to flower. As a result, Muhammad Ali Jinnah soon became the voice of the Muslims of India. He formulated their demands and presented them in the form of the famous 14 points in 1929. In 1934, he undertook the arduous work of uniting the various Muslim groups under the banner of the Muslim League. He also reorganized the Muslim League to make it an active and united organization under his inspiring and able leadership. The Muslim League contested elections in 1935 and swept the polls in the Punjab, Sindh and Bengal. Personality is an unbroken series of successful gestures. With the passage of time, more and more Muslims were joining the Muslim League. Other Muslim parties in Bengal and Punjab accepted the leadership of Jinnah and also joined the League. In 1940, the Muslim League passed the famous Lahore Resolution demanding Pakistan a sovereign Muslim state comprising the Muslim majority areas of India. Jinnah is a historic personality which takes birth once in a century. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah showed great ability and tremendous courage in his struggle for Pakistan. He countered the state moves of the Congress and was able to change the view of the British government. His lifelong struggle was crowned with success on 14 August 1947 when Pakistan came into being. A hero is someone who has given his life to something bigger than himself. The Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He worked day and night for the consolidation and progress of the country. His beneath had been failing for many years. Now the great responsibilities of the state wrecked his health and he passed away on September 11, 1948. Strong flowers decay, but a great name shall never pass away. आई होप आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। इसमें मैंने आपके लिए बहुत सी कोटेशंस और बहुत आसान ऐसे लिखा है जिससे आप बहुत आसानी से याद कर सकते हैं। कोटेशन लिखने से ये होता है कि एग्ज़ामिनर पर इसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छा पड़ता है और आपको मार्क्स लेने में आसानी होती है। अक्सर बच्चे होते हैं जो कोटेशन से ही लिखते हैं, वो कहते हैं हमें याद नहीं होती, नहीं हमने नहीं लिखनी इस तरह। तो याद रखें कि कोटेशन याद करना बहुत आसान है और ये बहुत आसान होती है और पेपर में लिखने का इसका ये एक तो फ़ायदा होता है कि लेंथ लंबी हो जाती है ऐसे कि जैसे अगर आपने थोड़ा कंटेंट भी लिखा है तो कोटेशन लिखने से वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है। और एक और बात ये है कि इस पर एग्ज़ामिनर का इम्प्रेशन जो होता है वो बहुत अच्छा पड़ता है। एग्ज़ामिनर को लगता है इस तरह कि आप बहुत लाइक स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिसने ऐसे के बीच कोटेशंस भी लिखी है। तो इस वजह से आपने कोटेशंस लाजमी लिखनी है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक ज़रूर पहुँचे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।